Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the easiest way to make delicious Jeera Aloo. This versatile Indian side dish comes together in just minutes, perfect for any meal. It's a true staple in many homes, cherished for its comforting flavor and incredibly simple preparation. We're going to create aromatic, spiced potatoes that are perfect with dal, rice, or even just roti. Get ready for a quick and satisfying culinary adventure. Gathering your ingredients is the first step, and thankfully, you only need a few pantry staples for this flavorful dish. Our stars are fresh potatoes, some whole cumin seeds, and a mix of common Indian spices like turmeric and chili powder. A little oil, some salt, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro at the end will complete this simple, yet potent, flavor profile. It's amazing what deliciousness can come from such basic items. The secret to amazing Jeera Aloo really begins with perfectly boiled potatoes. You want them tender enough to mash slightly, but still firm enough to hold their shape when you stir. Once your potatoes are boiled, peeled, and cubed, heat a tablespoon or two of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your whole cumin seeds and let them splutter gently. This releases their beautiful, earthy aroma, forming the base of our flavor. Now for the magic moment, combining everything and adding our spices. Gently toss your cubed, boiled potatoes into the pan with the fragrant cumin seeds, ensuring they mix well. Immediately follow by sprinkling in a generous pinch of turmeric powder, a touch of red chili powder for warmth, and salt to taste. Stir everything carefully, allowing the potatoes to get beautifully coated with all those vibrant flavors. This is where your dish truly comes alive. To finish, cook your Jeera Aloo for just another 2 to 3 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors truly meld together. You might even get a lovely slight crispness on some of the potato pieces. Right before serving, stir in a generous handful of fresh, chopped cilantro. It adds such a bright, refreshing contrast. Your homemade Jeera Aloo is now ready to be served hot, a delightful and aromatic side dish perfect with almost anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.